Hey guys, the number one reason why your thyroid medication like levothyroxine Synthroid is not reducing your symptoms is because you don't have a thyroid problem. 90% of all hypothyroid is Hashimoto's disease. It's an immune system problem. And levothyroxine and Synthroid is not an immune system medication. In fact, it's not even really a thyroid medication. What you're taking is thyroid hormone replacement. No different than someone taking testosterone replacement or progesterone replacement. You're only replacing what your body isn't producing. But the question you need to ask yourself is, why is my body not producing thyroid hormone? Well, because Hashimoto's destroys cells that make thyroid hormone. And this is why over time, your symptoms typically get worse over time, even though you're upping your medication. So what you need to do is you need to address the root cause of your problem. If you have an oil leak in your car, just adding oil to the car every single day is not going to fix your problem. This is the same thing. So if you're looking for answers, you want solutions, reach out to us.